to draw something really useful, a steel measuring tape. This tool helps people measure things when they want to know how long or wide something is. Let's go! Steel measuring tapes are super strong. They're made of metal, so they can bend but not break easily. You can even measure curved surfaces, like a round table, with a steel tape measure. Some measuring tapes have a special lock button so the tape stays out while you measure. Steel measuring tapes can snap back into their case with a quick whoosh when you're done. The small hook at the end of the tape is used to hold onto things while you measure. How handy! Awesome job! Our measuring tape is all drawn, and it looks fantastic. It's time to make it colorful. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's make this tape measure really stand out. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun and easy drawing videos. How do you like our measuring tape so far? Does it look like one you've seen before? Should we make the tape stretched out or rolled up? What do you think? Do you know what a measuring tape is used for? Have you ever seen one at home? What's the longest thing you think we could measure with this tape? Are you enjoying the drawing so far? What's your favorite part? measuring tape looks amazing. You're all set to measure everything now. Thanks for drawing with me today. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time.